Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a stall warning system for your airplane. So it's a tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to make a sound that plays when your plane is stalling.
Stalled.
So basically the first step is to get linear speed sensors and place one facing forwards and one facing downwards. And then we need a battery. Just get any old battery and then a buzzer. Place that down, and then this is what will actually play your sound. And also make sure to set both of these linear speed sensors to directional. And now we need the microcontroller, so I'm gonna get the one I made earlier. I'll place it down. I'll show you how to make this microcontroller. It's 3 nodes, an on-off output, and then 2 number inputs, with the vertical speed, the normal speed, and then the buzzer output. And then the logic is decently complicated, and you just take the vertical speed into an add block, and then a constant number of 30 into this add block. And you also take this into a threshold with minus 1,000, or just something that's like impossible to reach, and then a high of 10. And then you take your speed in node, and that goes into a greater than. This needs to go into B. And then A is from a numerical switch box, where the off input is from the add block you placed earlier, and the threshold goes into this. You don't need to put anything in here. If you have nothing, it's just the equivalent of having a constant number with 0, so you don't need that. And then this greater than goes into a blinker, which has these values, 0.1 second and 0.1 second on and off. This is just so it repeats. So if I had a burr sound, it would go burr, 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 burr. You can mess with the timings if you want. And then that's the buzzer output. Now I've shown you how the microcontroller works. You need to place down an absolute microcontroller. Connect the linear speed sensor that's facing forwards into that absolute controller, and then into the speed node, and then the VS node into the linear speed sensor which is facing downwards, and then this on-off node into the buzzer. Electricity connected to the buzzer, and then it should work. So right now we're not stalling, so there's no sound, and you can move it around and stuff. But if you're falling down more than you're going forward, then the alarm will sound. So now we can test it out in a real plane. So now we've got the system installed on an actual plane. We're going to test it out. And this is the 11542RJ. If you want to see a whole video on this, do let me know in the comments, that will be cool. And so if we lower the throttle considerably, we should get to stall. Okay, so we're stalling now and the alarm is going. If we try and save it by upping the throttle, then you can see the alarm goes off. And if we lower the throttle again, we're starting to stall. And if we go in the cockpit, exactly, the alarm is sounding, and we can try and dive out of it. And then if we pull up again, we're stalling. And so that's the sensor actually working. And that's the end of this video. Let me know what you want to see tutorials on next, or just anything else. Please subscribe. It really helps a lot. My current subscriber goal is 100 subscribers. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.